Trixie?
Potato Head!
And this would be the threshold. Every movie has one, you know. Once the heroes enter, there's no turning back.
Rex, hurry up!
Coming!
Now we just need to find a way down.
Well, that did the job.
Sorry. Is everyone okay?
That way.
All right, everybody, stay close.
So, what happens now?
Well, this would be the part where the characters get separated and then picked off one by one.
Then, what happens next?
Where's Freckle Pants?
Well, he was standing right here just a moment ago. What are we gonna do now? He was the only one who knew what the heck was going on!
Wait, listen. Think we lost it.
It's over there!
Over here.
I think I can see it. It's staring right at us.
It's Potato Head's arm.
Wait a minute. It looks like it's trying to tell us something.
What is it, little buddy?
I think he's using some kind of hand signals.
It's the number one.
No, one letter.
One syllable, once upon a time.
1 + 1 is 1.
I think maybe it's pointing up.
Yeah, of course.